Here in the fitness section, you can see a gym stats overview where you can select whether you want to start with yoga and stretch, which you might want to do if you're just starting out after bed rotting for a few years. To then move into like quick full body workouts to just regular full body workouts, and when you want to do like the full intense day one, day two, day three, you got those options. So let's take a look at day one chest and biceps. We can see there are exercises here that it's set to home, but we can easily set it to gym if we do want to go to a gym facility with equipment. And if it's been too easy, the sets and reps, we can change level to level 4, and the sets and reps will go up proportionately. So, yeah, you can see the correct form and posture for every exercise, tick them off, they disappear, and reset it when you're done. You can also give them cherries, I believe. Um, that's better. So different exercises would yield different cherry quantities. Um, and yeah, that's it.